alright if you want to have a little hiss. You've got the same problem in one eye. Not as bad as your sister, but still, it's got to be done. I know. Yep. Yeah. Come on. Now the other eye. I know this eye's good, but if one eye's got it, the other eye's going to get it. Okay. Come on, come here. Okay. Now a bit of yucky in your mouth. Come on. There you are. Yeah, there you go. Now you can go wherever you want. Yeah. Sit, little kittens. Hello, little black one. You're still here. Oh, you haven't run away. Come here. Oh, hello. 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 Don't look at the light. The light's not good for your eyes. Hey? There. You go back up there. There you go. Right. Back on the ointment. Oh, you're back again. You're sitting there looking at me now. No, you had no fear of me, but then I'm not putting stuff in your eyes, am I? Hello, little one. Hello. How are you? Hey? Yes, come on. You come to me. How about we go round the other side and we have a look at the food? Maybe you're interested in some food. We'll put this stuff in my pocket.